Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to connect a Namecheap domain to Hostinger and build a website using Hostinger AI website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. Now click on add website. Select Hostinger website builder. Here you can use Hostinger AI to create your website for you or use pre-made templates. For this video, I will go with the Hostinger AI builder. So let's say my brand name, for example, Travel Europe. Here I will describe, for example, my website. Create me a travel blog where I share my experience exploring Europe. As you see, this is a great description. Click on create a website and wait a moment. And this is the first result I got using this simple prompt. You can see your website, check your website and see if you are satisfied with this first result. Of course, you can edit your website later, but before that, you can even hit create again, re-edit your website description, and you will get a different result. When you get multiple results and you want to switch back between them, you can click on version history and you can see up to the last 5 versions and you can switch between them to the one you like most. You can also preview your website in the mobile view from here. You can edit your website color palette from here, and when you are satisfied, click on this continue button to edit your website. And this is my website in Hostinger website builder. Let's check it in details. This is the first section. It uses a background photo. This is a contact form. The header section is simple or minimalistic. This is the second section, explore button. This is the latest blog post section, travel moments with a photo gallery. This is an email list field or form, and this is the footer. I think this is a really good start. Till now, this website is not available online or accessible online because you need to click on this go live button to publish it online. And let's view my website live. And this is your Hostinger website live. Now, as you see till now, it still uses a temporary long domain. Or to connect your Namecheap domain to this website, simply go back to hpanel.hostinger.com, go to websites, and next to the website you've just created, usually the latest created website is the first in the list. But let's make sure that this is the same website. Yes, this is Travel Europe. Now click on these 3 dots and select Connect Domain. Here, fill in your Namecheap domain. For example, in my case, benstutorial.com. Do you own this domain? Yes. How to confirm that you own this domain? It's simple. Just log into your Namecheap account. Then go to domain list. And next to your Namecheap domain, click on manage. And now look for something called name servers. And here select custom DNS. Now fill in the official Hostinger name servers that I will give to you in a second in order to let your domain know where is your website is hosted. And if you don't know Hostinger official name servers, they are simple. Just search for Hostinger name servers or Hostinger name servers list, and you will see the first name server. Copy it like that, paste it here, and the second one is NS, which stands for name server, ns2.dns-parking.com. Now click on this little check mark to save those new name servers. After that, head back to Hostinger website builder, click on do you own this domain? Yes, and click on next. And just like that, your Namecheap domain is added to your site built using Hostinger AI website builder. Click on continue. And as you see, instead of the Hostinger temporary long domain, before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And as you see, instead of the Hostinger temporary long domain, my website started using my Namecheap domain name. Now let's give it a try. If your website is still not accessible after connecting your Namecheap domain, don't worry. After updating your name servers, internet requires a little bit of time to fully connect your domain name with your website. This happens with all uh, domain name providers and website builders. So don't worry, just keep refreshing. This process can take a minute, 10 minutes, an hour, up to 48 hours. So don't worry, you did everything well. Just be patient here and keep trying to visit your website. And from time to time, it is better to try to visit it from a different device, for example, your smartphone, another laptop, and also with a different internet provider to avoid cache issues. And this is how to connect your Namecheap domain with your website built using Hostinger AI website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.